Welcome back to Mr. Keith's Money Monday. It is August 3rd, 2026. This is the going from 0 to 100,000 account in 3 years, hopefully. Goal of this account is to deposit $500 a week with money I make from gig work and use the stock market and options to grow the account to 100,000. I'd like to reach this goal in 3 years. I understand this is a journey of my account and I share it with you for informational purposes only, not providing legal, accounting, or financial advisory services, and this is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell any stocks or options. If you choose to copy these trades, understand that it's your money and your responsibility. I understand you can lose money in this. Please use a paper trading account until you're ready to invest in real money. And if you like this, please like and subscribe to the channel if you want to follow along. Looking at the average monthly stock returns from 80 to 2018, a chart I kind of go back to. We're into August now. August is typically, on average, a little down month, kind of flat. I would call that flat. And then we get in September, which could be a bad month, and then we get back in the fourth quarter where things shoot up. So we'll see how things are going. Right now, things are kind of just flat. The market's just kind of hovering there. We'll see if it drops down a little bit this month. Depends on what happens with the war and anything else that happens in the world. So keeping that in mind, stocks could just be flat, go down some. Of course, there's some stocks that will go down, some that will go up, and you never know. So last week we got assigned our IBRX. We sold a 750 put and 750 strike price, and we got assigned. I put that in there, so we get to keep that $30. We paid $750 for the 100 shares of that stock, and we'll go in and I'll sell a covered call now. Just a wealth wheel we've been going. Buy the stock, sell a put to buy it. Once you buy it, sell a covered call to sell it higher. The first time we did it, we sold at the same exact price. This time, we're going to probably go a little higher. Instead of $7.50, let's go up to $8. See if we can make some money if it shoots up some. All the other spreads I looked at this morning are all doing fine. Carnival Cruise Line, H&R Block, Silver, and the mining company all looking good. So no need to do anything there. We'll just sit there and watch that. Here's the pending. I added more money to the account. So each week I try to do that. I'm a little behind, so I'm going to try to catch up the next couple weeks. You can see we got assigned the 750. So now we own 100 shares of that. Let's see. Now I want to go to investing. Here we go. All right. Usually do this on my phone, so bear with me as I figure out where everything is on the laptop here. All right. So in this account, I've got $3,600 that I can work with. So let's first go in and sell covered call on Immunity Bio. I'm going to click on that one. If I had done this earlier today, we probably could have got a higher price for selling a call a little bit higher, but out doing other stuff. So going in here, now I own 100 shares. Does that tell me somewhere on here that I do have it? Shares, there you go. Shares, 100%. All right, trade IBRX options. We're going to sell a call, and I'm going to go out for next week. 11 days. I'm going to look at this $20 or the $8 strike, possibly get $8 for it. I'm going to click on that. Look at the let's click on this. Here we go. So it's between 15 and 25. Right now the mark is right in the middle of 20. Would have done this earlier, could have got $30-$40, but so as long as it stays below 8, we get to keep the money. If it goes above 8, then we're selling it at 8, which means we would have made $50 on it because we bought it for $7.50. We're selling it for 8. That'd be $50 plus another $20 there. That'd be $70. So I wouldn't mind taking that in 2 weeks' time. So I'm just going to put it there. You could try to go 25 and then hold out and put it good to cancel. Thought about doing that. Depends on what immunity's doing. Let me pull up the chart here. It's kind of sitting there. We'll just put it in. I'll put it in for 20. Continue. Review order. And so you're agreeing to sell 100 shares of IBRX at $8 on or before August 14th. If you aren't asked to sell it then, you keep the collateral and the full $20 credit. We keep the $20 credit no matter what. All right, that got filled. So I got 20 bucks for that. Probably could have held up for 25. So, oh well. All right, then I ran a screener. Since I've got some extra money there, I thought about either selling another put to get more IBRX or looking at a different stock. So the screener I ran, descriptive, mid or higher. I went under 30 bucks because I only have 3,000 in the account, so I need something under 30 bucks that I could buy. Dividend, looking for a positive dividend over 2 million. Optionable and shortable. Fundamental. I looked something under 25, something that's not overvalued. Look for positive growth this year and next year. Forward PE under 25, PEG ratio under 1, and EV over EBITDA under 10. And when I did that, the 6 stocks came up. Looked at Pitney Bowes, didn't like that one. I'll show you why. Stock has gone up, but I was looking here. Earnings kind of been just flat, starting to make money. But you look at their sales have gone way down. They do have outstanding shares down, so they're buying back shares. But I didn't like this big drop off here, so I'm staying away from that one. Looked at Gentex Auto Parts. Thought that might be a good one. Pull that up. Just kind of been hanging out right there in the middle range of where it's been going, so could have bought the shares and sold a call or sell a put to try to buy it a little bit lower. Like that one. Earnings kind of there. Sales been going up and shares coming down, so I like that one also. So that was a good one. The options just weren't liquid on that one. There wasn't a lot of options on that one. So then I went with AT&T. And you can see AT&T has been beat down, been coming back up. Just kind of right there. This was a big drop off, but this is where they got rid of a part of their company. Can't remember what it was, but they sold part of it. And ever since then, they've been kind of going up. So I like that. I like the shares coming down. Big concern would be if you think SpaceX is going to take over the mobile phones. I don't know. So that's a big risk with AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile, I guess. But for now, I'm going to go in, and I think I'm just going to buy the stock and then sell a covered call on it. So going in here, punch in T. Find AT&T. So looking at the options, I could sell a put and go like a couple weeks out, 3 weeks out. Could go sell a put, see if I can get it right at the money. I could sell this, and if it drops below the 23.50, I could pick it up. So I get paid to buy it at a little bit cheaper price than it is today. So that is one option. Could go down 23, or I could buy the stock right now as it is and sell a call and maybe go out to 24.50, get paid 25 bucks, and if it goes up to the 34 or 24.50, I'd make almost 100 bucks there, 98 bucks there. So those are the two ways we could go. I've been debating which way I want to go. But I think I'm going to buy the stock and sell the covered call. Probably goes against what I'm thinking. If I think stock's going to drop down a little bit, I'm just going to sell the 20. I'm going to sell it. I'm going to sell a put. There we go. Making that decision. Sell a put for 3 weeks. We'll see if the stock can drop back down a little bit. See if I can pick it up for 23. That'd be 51 cents cheaper than right now. Plus, I'd get paid 38 bucks. So, good to cancel. All right, that is placed. We'll see. It says 36. I put it in for 37. I'll watch that. 35 would be the lowest I'd go. But if I can get 37, we're done. All right. So there you have it. We sold a call on IBRX. That's a stock I own. And then I sold a put. Sold a put for the 23 strike price. And hopefully I'll get about 37 bucks for that. All right, so there's 2 quick, simple trades for you. Any questions, put them in the comments. So we're agreeing to sell a IBRX if it goes higher, and we're agreeing to buy AT&T if it drops lower. All right, have a good day. Bye.